siguro kayo na impact, no? Kung mo, we did not reduce the size anymore, so we just adapted the assumed size na 300 by 600. So we are able to compute the required number of bars, 5 to 25 mm diameter ng top bar. So karon, ini siya ito na rin na-design din, no? Design sa mid span na din. Now, since the span do not differ significantly, span din 7.75, sa span din 7.7, so ato na lang i-mirror, no? Ang steel reinforcement. So, sa requirement sa mid span din, kung sa'yo na itong i-adapt sa mid span, kung nga beam. So, kung sa reinforcement din, kung sa'yo na itong i-adapt sa reinforcement din. No? So, that is as far as flexural design is concerned. Now, next we design for shear. So we compute here the shear at the exterior end, which is 1/2 WL. Then the shear at the exterior face of the first interior support, which is 1.15 WL over 2. Okay? 1.15 WL divided by 2. Now, the design shear is not at the face of the support, but at the distance from the face of the support. No? So we compute the shear at the location. So this is the shear at the face of the support, then minus the resultant of the part below included, no? Between the face of the support and the distance. So 60.75, this is 79, this is your factor load multiplied by the distance. 238.22. Then we have here the shear capacity of concrete given by this formula, A16 square root of C prime BD. So we get there an answer of 120.88. So based on this result, the design shear is larger than the shear strength of concrete. No? So it means that concrete cannot carry the shear unreinforced. So we need to provide shear reinforcement for concrete. And this is achieved by providing stirrups. No? So again, ato na sa i-apply dali ang ato nagkatunan sa reinforced concrete design. No? Yan, nagdumdum pa muna ito. Pero pa, nakipago pa man. Kung may lima na katuloy kami nanami, kay malimot na ta. No? Sa paman kasi Mr. Lamay, so I think it's very fresh in your mind. Anyway, ato na sa ipakita na rin, no? ang italigid na calculation. So, wala mo ikabalipan din, no? Kung kayo mo na sir, limot ba ko? Nalimot ko naman, no? Ang ipakita ang step-by-step na solution. So, when VU is bigger than VBC, then we compute the shear limits. So we have BC equal to 120.28 over 0.25, which gives you 142 kN, and multiply that by 2 to get 2 BC, then 284.42. So may significance na yung kanina mga shear limits. Okay, ano ba ang binumdum na to, no? Mabita sa atong previous semester na reinforced concrete design and notes. Madre, no? Okay, if BU less than TBC, then stirrups are vertically not required. If BU greater than TBC, then stirrups are required. And katong i-compute na 2BC, na ito siya ay bearing on the spacing limitation. If your excess shear VS is less than or equal to 2BC, the maximum spacing of the stirrup is B over 2 or 300 mm, whichever is smaller. If VS is greater than 2BC, then the maximum spacing will be reduced, no? To B over 4. Instead of B over 2, it will reduce to B over 4 or 300 mm, whichever is smaller. If greater than 4 BC, so there's already a very large amount of excess shear, the code recommends that we increase the section. Because when concrete is subjected to very high shear, it tends to become brittle. No? Kung sobraan sa mo excess shear. So this is the part to i-apply dire. So we compute the excess shear VS. So this is the design shear minus the shear strength. So we get 138.05 and we select the body, the stirrup diameter. So sa may common ng stirrup diameter, nabay 8 mm. Wala ka na ng gamit ng 8 mm. Pinakagamay, 10 mm. No? 10 mm. Then for the shear requirement, we can use 12 mm. So mas mahalaga ka itong stirrup, hindi kayo na ito, kita mo gamit itong 16 mm diameter na stirrup. Why? So mas prepare na itong 10 mm or 12 mm. No? So between 10 and 12, kung makaya mo 10, 10 na. No? Yan naman. Anong man mayong madako yung diameter sa stirrup? For practical reasons. No? Because kanang stirrup, to form the stirrup, you have to bend up how many times? At least 4 times, no? One on each corner. Diba? And it is very difficult, no? It requires more effort, no? To bend larger diameter parts. No? So ay naman mo pag ay mong bawa ko 16 mm. Ha? Kung ako lingaw ba, no? Try bending 16 mm diameter.